Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about hypsometric and bathymetric curve. Aji class to ami hypsometric or bathymetric curve ki hoy aru ami keneke represent kobo paro tar bikhoye ami discuss korim. Etia prothomote first let us understand what is hypsometric and what is bathymetric curve. Okay. Now when we talk about hypsometric curve, okay, it shows us a relationship between area and height. Jete ami hypsometric curve dal keneke banao will go on later on. Whenever we'll see the hypsometric curve, okay, this will give us a relationship of area and height. Whenever we talk about bathymetric, this gives us the idea or explain the relationship between area and depth. Tamane jete ami bathymetric curve draw koru tar ki hoy area aru depth relationship dekhabo. Jete ami hypsometric curve dekham tetia area aru height relationship dekhabo. Now whenever we go for the field survey or jeta practical jua hoy, okay, ami ji kono bostu jeta height ba depth measure koru, okay, to ki hoy height aru depth measure koribole hoda eta datum plane lage ba eta reference ba base level lage, okay, to ki hoy to he base level to hoise amar sea level. और सी लेवल तो आमी जीरो बुली लो, 0 फीटे हक बा किलोमीटर हक, ओके, 0 किलोमीटर भी लो पारो बा फीट लो पारो बा मीटर लो पारो, ओके, this will depend on the data. So what happened, this is a sea level, etu hoise amar sea level. Upor অঞ্চল খিনি যেটি আমি উপর অঞ্চলত বা যিকোনো বস্তু পাহাড়ে হোক মালভূমি হোক, okay, the feature which is above the sea level, that is whether we are talking about hill, mountain, plain, plateau, okay, whenever we try to measure the height, okay, which is above the sea level, so that is represented with the help of hypsometric curve. Aru pani toloto jikhini অঞ্চল আছে, okay, jikhini অঞ্চল থাকিবা tare jeti ami area or depth to measure korim, this will be represented with the help of bathymetric curve. Eta sea level to ki hoy to 0 level hoy, mane etu eta base level hoy, okay. Etia moi just an idea eta dibo bisarisu, suppose etu pahar hoy, okay, etu pahar hoy, eta pahar ata ekhini hoise nodi upor অঞ্চল khini, okay, sea level or this is a part of the mountain which is above the sea level. Now this mountain, this also extend downward, okay, below the sea level, okay. So this is a mountain, okay, so this portion is above the sea level and this portion is below the sea level. Ekhini অঞ্চল pani uport ase aru ekhini অঞ্চল pani tolot ase. Now so this is the height and this will be the depth. So this is 0, okay, feet hok kilometer hok, to ami 0 pora etu ami 0 loisu, tamane a sea level pa jete ami a mountain or height to measure korim, to ami 0 lom, ami jimane upolo goi thik mane mountain or height to bahi goi thikibo. So this is the 0 meter, feet, kilometer. As we keep on measuring the height, okay, as we keep on measuring the height of the mountain, the figure will go on increasing, okay. So suppose this is 10, 20, 30, okay, 40, 50. That means this is 0 height, this is 10 feet height or meter, kilometer. Whenever we move to this point, your height to increase ho go ase mane 20 feet hol, iman poalo gole kiman height to aru increase ho 30 feet ho gol, to jimane ami sea level or height to measure korko goi thakim, then the height will go on increasing. Now this portion is below the sea level, okay, so that means when we try to measure, okay, this feature tamne ki ami a to point jodi ami lo mane ekhini kiman dot ase, ekhini kiman dot pani tolot kiman dot ase, ekhini kiman dot ase, so we try to measure the depth. So if this is 0, so as we move, okay, below the sea level, so what will happen, the depth will go on increasing. So this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, 40, 50. So that means if this is the point, so this is located at a 10 meter depth, this is 20 meter depth, this is 30 meter depth, this is located 40 meter depth, and this is located at 50 meter depth, okay. So this is x axis and this is y axis, okay. So this is height and this is depth. Height above the sea level, depth below the sea level. So it ki hobo ami height aru area depth pai goso. We have got the idea regarding the height and the depth. Now how do we put this area? Eti ami area to keneke koru? So area will be represented by this particular line. Okay, so a2 0 hose depth to karne height to karne mo jete a file jete lom, suppose a2 point hose 1 square kilometer. Okay, I am representing area in square kilometer. Okay, so this point is 2 square kilometer, 3 square kilometer, 4 square kilometer, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. Okay, so this line is representing the sea level. Okay, so taking the sea level base, we measure the depth and the height. Okay, now I want to show the area also. So let me take the this x-axis. Okay, a2 x-axis boli kobo para. Okay, so I am taking this one to be the area line which will represent the area. Now etia jodi mo ko 0 to 10 height ot. Okay, yet kiman height ase 0 to 10 height. Okay, yar height to kiman ase mane a অঞ্চল খিনি kiman height ase 0 to 10 height. Eta a 0 to 10 height or ami area kiman paisu? Okay, the total area is suppose this much. Okay, 5. So that means what? 0 to 10, this is height or this is area. So 0 to 10 height out ama area kiman ase? Suppose 5 square kilometer. Okay, 0 to 10 height out amar area kiman ase? Kiman area ase mane ekhini kiman area ase mane 5 square kilometer. Okay, so at 0 to 10 feet height of this mountain area. Okay, so this covers a total area of 5 square kilometer. Okay, suppose now 10 to 20, what is the total area? At 10 to 20 height, what is the total area? Okay, suppose I am saying 8. Okay, so 10 to 20, so this is my point, so this is my 8. Okay, so where is it? This point is 8. Okay, so this much. At 10 to 20 feet height, okay, the total area covered is how much? 8 square kilometer. Okay, suppose 20 to 30. Okay, suppose 20 to 30. 20 to 30, suppose 3 square kilometer. So this is 3. So this much. So the total area covered at 20 to 30 feet height is 3 square kilometer. Okay, suppose now I am talking about 30 to 40. Suppose only 2 square kilometer. Okay, 2 square kilometer. At 30 or 40 height or mazot 30 or 40 height or jitu bhag porise paharot, tar total area hoise kiman 2 square kilometer. To amar 2 square kilometer to kiman ase a2 hoise. So ami 2 to yat disu. So this is the total area. Okay, so this one is called as the hypsometric curve. Now we have shown the relationship between the area and height. Okay, so that means what, at each level of the height, what is the total area covered by the mountain? Eta a paharo jete 0 to 10 height thakibo, mane ami eta paharo jete tolo onchol khini mane jete 0 to 10 height, jete height to kom ase tate ama area ama kiman ase 5 square kilometer. 10 to 20 height at ama area mountain area total area kiman ase 8 square kilometer. 20 to 30 height at ama area mountain total area has 3 square kilometer. So this is representing the relationship between height and the area. Okay, so eta a area or height to a high area or height to jeta ami etu hoise tuma bar diagram dise ami represent korisu, jeta height or area to a bar diagram to ako jeta ami eta curve edal draw kori pine jeta dekham take koa jabo hypsometric curve. Okay, now let's go with the bathymetric. Okay, now will show the relationship between depth and area. Okay, eke kotha area to yate likhon tate likho eke kotha hoy. Etia suppose now a 0 to 10 depth, 0 to 10 mane pani tolor pra jete ami sea level tolole jam eto 0 to 10 feet or dohot e pahar to kiman area cover korise. Suppose 4. 0 to 10 depth, the total area covered is how much? 4. Suppose, okay, so this much. This is the depth. Okay, 10 to 20 depth, the total area covered by the mountain is suppose 6. Okay, so this is 6. So this much. 20 to 30, suppose 5 square kilometer. So 20 to 30, this is 5 square kilometer. Okay, suppose 30 to 40, suppose 8 square kilometer. So 30 to 40, this is 8 square kilometer. Okay, suppose 40 to 50, suppose 8.5 square kilometer. 8.5 square kilometer. So this is 8.5 will be here. So this much. Okay, so this is represented the relationship between area and depth. Okay, 0 to 10 depth amar total area covered by the mountain is 4 square kilometer. 10 to 20 depth amar total area covered by the mountain is 6 square kilometer. So this is called as a bathymetric curve. This is the hypsometric curve. Okay, again we'll in the next practical when we'll doing, okay, then we'll know how to draw the hypsometric and bathymetric curve. Okay, so this upper diagram, okay, which is above the sea level. Okay, so this is showing the relationship between height and the area, and this is known as a hypsometric. Below the sea level, this is showing the depth, okay, and the area. At each level of depth, what is the area covered, and this is called as a bathymetric curve. Okay, so this is the general idea of hypsometric and bathymetric curve. Okay, now let us go with the practical. Okay, so this is the data for hypsometric curve. Okay, this is the data for the hypsometric curve. Now so this is the height. Okay, this is the height, this is the area. At 0 to 5 meter, it is a meter. 0 to 5 meter, what is the area covered? 30. Okay, 500 to 1060. Okay, so this is the area covered in each level of the height. Now this is a percentage of the whole globe. That means this is showing the percentage. This is showing the area in terms of percentage. A area to ami kiho dekhaiso percentage dekhaiso mane gute prithibit gute whole globe jodi above 3005 million square kilometer jodi area hoy tene hole jodi ami gute prithibi kiman percent cover korise mane 1% cover korise. Jetia 10 million square kilometer, so the total percentage of area covered is 2%. Okay, so it was a percentage of whole globe. A2 was a cumulative frequency. CF2 was a cumulative frequency. Okay, now this cumulative frequency is required to draw the hypsometric curve and bathymetric curve. Okay, now what you have to do, A2 data dia thakibo, so you find out the total. Here total kiman hoy? So you find out the total of this one. The total of this one is 125 and the total of this one is 24. Okay, so whenever you will be given the practical in exam, so your first duty is to find out the total area and the total percentage. Okay, then tar pisor ki hobo tumaloke cumulative frequency uliabo lagibo. Eta cumulative frequency jete ami uliao jihetu amar sobse highest figure to ki ase 3000, jehetu ami highest figure pa cover kori aso tetia ama ki hobo a highest figure to hodai upole jabo. Cumulative frequency jete ami korim, okay, yate highest figure to ase 3000, jehetu ami highest figure opra ki ase ami tolole lowest figure la ahi aso, to he hisabe ami ki hobo ama highest figure to upole jabo. So this will be how much? 24. okay so cumulative frequency he kene ulwa hoy okay now what you will do next value about so since this is a highest value so we have started with the highest value if suppose here 0 to 500 to jodi upor hua hoy tete ami ki 1 asle to ami 1 opra continue korilu hoy but ji hetu highest figure to upor ase tete ami keso yare cumulative percentage of whole globe highest figure to ase amar 24 jete ami total koru to ami 24 to upor lo gesu now so next value will be 24 minus 1 24 minus 1 this will be 23 again 23 minus 2 21 this is how 23 minus 2 21 21 minus 5 this will be 16 then 16 minus 10 this will be 6 okay so jetia tomar hypsometric curve hobo tete ki hobo cumulative frequency highest value to sorry percentage of whole globe jonto highest total value thake hetu tumi cumulative frequency first bahaba tar bisot a cumulative frequency a first value par tumi proti value to minus ko goi thiba 24 minus 1 is 23 23 minus 2 is 21 21 minus 5 is 16 16 minus 10 is 6 okay so this is done now we are ready to draw the graph now let us draw the graph okay so my graph okay this is height of the land this is y axis this is x this is height of the land if lami height represent korim height of the land in meter if lami height represent korim if lami represent korim percentage of the whole globe if lami represent percentage of the whole globe and cumulative frequency so this is percentage of whole globe and cumulative frequency this side will represent the height below will represent the percentage of the whole globe and cumulative frequency above jihetu ami x axis to efil already percentage of whole globe and cumulative frequency dekhai asu to ami area to ki hobo yate ekelote dekhable digda hoy so ami area to ki ami upofule loi jam okay so this side we have the area okay above we have the area now this is in million square kilometer area in million square kilometer okay jeto ami axis to already dekhailo to area to ami ki hoso upofule dekhai disu now so yete you see the value 3000 2000 1500 500 500 enake ase tomar now we have to take an appropriate scale okay so obviously this is 0 okay this one you write it as a sea level okay etu hose sea level okay this is 0 so if you see the figure 500 1000 2000 3000 then we can take an interval of 500 it is a 0 losu more suppose at 500 losu okay here then I'll take how much 1000 okay then I will take 1500 since I have taken 500 interval so this is 500 1000 so this is 1500 this is 2000 this is 2500 then this is 3000 and last above 3000 so I am taking this to be 3500 okay so this is my height a value khini sai pane eta appropriate eta interval lo pane tumi gute value khini efle represent koi diba Now below we have the percentage of the whole globe. So etu hoise tumar 1 2 5 10 6 efile amar cumulative figures jetu dekham our highest value to hoise 24. To ami ki koi ami yar pro 1 opra start kori do. This 1 2 or we can take this to be suppose 0. Okay, 0 loso 2 degree interval loso jehetu 24 hoise to ami jodi 1 2 3 4 ke jao so amar jaga na hobo. So I am taking 2 degree interval. So 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 26. Our highest figure to is 24. So we have got this one 24. Okay, I mean 1 2 3 4 ke law pailu hai, but jehetu bahut dighol hoy jabo, so I have taken 2 degree interval. Eta upor fale hoise amar to percentage of whole globe or cumulative frequency a to scale out. This could be easily represented. Now above what will represent area. Okay, so 5 10 20 5 10 20 60 30. So if you take 5 degree interval jodi 0 5 10 15 20, so this can be easily represented. So yet is it 2 hoy, so here I am taking to be 5. Enuka no hoy je yet 1 jaka yet 1 ase to yet 5 hobo libo, enuka kotha nai, etu nijo scale hobo, etu nijo scale hobo. So 5 khali kibe exactly yar upote represent koriba. So 1, so this is 5, so this I am taking to be 10. So this is 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50 55 60. Okay, so we have got the our highest figure 60, so we have got 60. So our eta je dio bisara 65 boli. Okay, now we are ready to draw the graph. Now first we will represent height and area. So above 3000 I will go from below 0 to 500. 0 to 500, what is our area? 30. 0 to 500 our area is 30. Okay, so this is 30. So this is 30, so how much it will be? So 0 to 500, so exactly at this particular point. Okay, okay, so 0 to 500, 0 to 500, what is our area? 0 to 500 our area is how much? 30. Okay, so this is 30 million square kilometer. Okay, a to scale no, a to scale saba 30 to yat ase, so yat ama exactly 30 porise. So 0 to 500 ama area kiman hoy? 30. 500 to 1000, 500 to 1000 our area is 60, means this one. Okay, so moi so this is how much? 60. 60 ate porise. So this is my 1000. Tumalika olop nije bhalke manage koriba. So this is 60. So 500 to 1000, what is our total area? 60. Similarly 1000 to 2000, 1000 to 2000. Okay, so this is 50 and jeta my 5 na interval ase, so 2000 to our yat porise. So 1000 to 2000 our area is 20, so this is 20. Okay, etu tumalike nije la bhalke sai laba, this much. So 1000 to 2000 our area is how much? 20 million square kilometer. 2000 to 3000, 2000 to 3000 our area is 10. This is 10. 2000 to 3000 area is 10, and above 3000 it is 5. Okay, above 3000 this is 5. So this is the area height relationship. Now let us draw the curve. Now let us draw the curve. Now first we'll draw the percentage of the whole globe. Okay, prothomte ami whole globe curve dal draw korim, tarpor cumulative frequency curve dal draw korim. So at 0 to 500 amar percentage of whole globe value to hoise 6. Okay, it is 6. It is 0 to 500. So 0 to 500 etu hoy to ami ki eta middle point to lolom. To 0 to 500 amar percentage of whole globe hoise 6. To suppose it was a to mid value, so my point to yate disu. Okay, then 500 to 1000 10 mid value I'm taking 500 1000. This is sorry 500 to 1000 mid value is 10. It was a 10, so mid value to my yet porise. Again 1000 to 2000 our middle value to say 5. Okay, so our 5 value to quote say it 4 to 5 is to tamane middle value to me yate disu. Okay, then 2000 to 3000 2000 to 3000 our mid our value is how much? 2. This is 2, so this is our point. Okay, then above 3000 our value is 1. Okay, so what to 0 hoy to 1 to yet poribo, so ami yate loisu. Okay, now you connect this line with free hand. Okay, so this is your hips curve. Okay, so tumaleke eta enake diba eta index diba side ote enake ifle side of eta index diba moi jega nai jehetu moi ifle index ifle banai disu. To etu hoise area, etu hoise percentage of whole globe, aru next line dal ami je dotted line dim enake etu hobo amar cumulative. Okay, so enake index banai loba. Ete next hoise to etu curve amar represent kori ho gose. To next amar eta curve baki ase etu hoise cumulative frequency curve. Cumulative frequency curve. Now etu hoise percentage whole globe curve. To ami eta black and index use korisu dotted line to represent the cumulative frequency curve. Eta cumulative frequency curve 0 to 500 or ami mid value to loi pene ama cumulative frequency kiman hoy 6 hoy. To amar 6 kiman hoy mano porise. 500 to 1000 ama cumulative frequency hoise 16. 16 yara ama mid point to loisu. 500 1000 ami mid point to loisu. Then 1000 to 2000 1000 to 2000 amar mid point to hobo 1500. Amar cumulative frequency kiman hoy 21. Amar etu 22 hoy etu 20 hoy to 21 to mano porise etu hoise 21. Similarly 2000 to 3000 amar cumulative frequency hoise 23. So amar cumulative frequency is A2. Then last above 3000 cumulative frequency is 24. It was a 24. Okay, so connect this with the help of dotted line. To A2 was a cumulative frequency curve. A2 was the percentage of whole globe. Mane whole globe kiman percentage of area cover korise. Okay, so in this way we have to draw the hypsometric curve. Okay, so this is representing the relationship between height and area. Now similarly we have to draw the bathymetric curve. Okay, so this is bathymetric curve. Eta bathymetric curve draw korute now when we draw the bathymetric curve, okay, now here eke dhorone yate amar total uliabo lagibo ar yate cumulative percentage whole globe total uliabo lagibo. Total ulua pise ki amar cumulative frequency uliabo lagibo. Ete cumulative frequency moi agote koislu yate ki hoise amar lowest value to ase 0 to 500 ji hetu ami ki hoise মই আগতে শিকাইছিলো এটো হৈছে আমাৰ সি লেভেল উপৰফলে গলে আমাৰ হাইট হয় 0 10 20 এনেকৈ বাহিবি গৈ থাকে আমি তললৈ আহিলে কি হ'ব 10 20 30 10 20 30 এনেকৈ আমি ডেপথ মেজাৰ কৰো তো আমি যেহেতু আমি এতিয়া তললৈ আহি আছো মানে আমি যিমান সাগৰ পাকি আমি ভিতৰলৈ গৈ আছো মানে there is increase in the depth so এখানে আমি আমাৰ lowest value টো ওপৰত আছে তো এটো আছে যেটো lowest value টো ওপৰত আছে সো আমি কি কম cumulative percentage whole globe আমাৰ lowest value টো cumulative frequency of first value হ'ব তাৰপিছত কি হ'ব ইয়াতে আগতে আমি hypsometric curve মাইনাস কৰিছিলো highest value টো লৈ পিনে আমি প্ৰতিটো ভ্যালু মাইনাস কৰি গৈছিলো ইয়াতে কি হ'ব আমি প্লাস কৰিব লাগিব সো lowest value টো আমি cumulative frequency দিলো 5 okay 5 plus 3 is 8 8 plus 2 is 10 10 plus 12 is 22 22 plus 5 is 27 okay isometric curve আমি মাইনাস কৰিছিলো হাইয়েস্ট ভ্যালু টু ওপৰত লৈ পিনে ইয়াতে mathematic curve lowest value টো আমি লম তাৰপিছত আমি কি lowest value নহয় first value টো লম আৰু আমি কি কৰিম প্লাস কৰি কৰি গৈ থাকিম now ইয়াত যেনেকৈ আমি hypsometric curve ৰাখিছিলো একেই ধৰণে কি হ'ব আমাৰ bathymetric curve process টো same হয় okay এনেকৈ আমাৰ এৰিয়া টো এনেকৈ shaded ল'ব লাগিব percentage whole globe curve ডাল draw কৰিব লাগিব আৰু আমাৰ bathymetric curve ডাল draw কৰিব লাগিব এটা ইয়াতে হৈছে তো এতিয়া আমি কি হৈছে আমি এটো আছে hypsometric এটো আছে bathymetric তো তা মানে কি আমাৰ যোনটো সি লেভেল হ'ব হেতু ওপৰত হ'ব লাগিব যেহেতু আমি এতিয়া তললে আহি আছো মানে আমাৰ ডেপটো ইনক্ৰিজ হৈ গৈ আছে তো এতিয়া কি হ'ব সো হেকেনে আমাৰ জিৰ' কি হ'ব ওপৰত হ'ব আৰু ইয়াৰ ওপৰ ভাগটো কি থাকে আমাৰ hypsometric curve থাকে আৰু তলখিনি আমাৰ bathymetric তো হেকেনে ইয়াত আমাৰ যেতিয়া আমি bathymetric curve draw কৰো always remember okay you have to start with the lowest value from the above okay so ama ki hoise ami value kita sum you first observe this value okay then take an appropriate interval so here I have taken 0 to 500 500 interval I have taken 500 1500 sorry this is 1000 1500 2000 2500 3000 3500 4000 and 4500 okay error curve no hai actually error curve hai similarly if lama area hobo ya jene ke ami area value to yate loi loba suppose 25 18 12 60 25 তো ইয়াতে আমি এটা appropriate interval লৈ পনে লব পাৰা similarly ইয়াত যেনেকৈ 65 highest value আসলে ইয়াতো আমাৰ 60 highest value হয় তো similarly আমি ইয়াত এনেকৈ লব পাৰো 5 5 10 15 20 25 30 এনেকৈ আমি লব পাৰো percentage whole group আমাৰ highest value to হৈছে 27 তো similarly কেনেকৈ লব পাৰো তাত যেনেকৈ লৈছিলো এটো 0 এটো আমি 2 4 6 8 10 এনেকৈ লৈ লৈ আমি 27 লৈকে এনেকৈ লব পাৰো তো আমি ইয়াত আমি যেনেকৈ এইখিনি কাৰ্ভ ডাল আৰু এইকেইটা আঁকিছিলো হেনেকৈ similarly we have to draw here also but the only difference here is that in the case of cumulative frequency here you have to start with the first value and keep on adding and you have to start from 0 from above ya tolor par je 0 di jodi arambho kor tamne ki ami height he measure kori asu kintu etia ami je 0 to upor lese mi je tolole ahi asu tamne ki ami jimane pani tolole goise himane amar depth to increase hoy goi ase okay so yato heneke index diba okay this side will depth of the ocean this side we have percentage of the whole globe and cumulative frequency this side we have area above you write bathymetric curve okay আৰু এটা বস্তু মনত ৰাখিবা ইয়াতে লাষ্ট কি কৰিবা এই ভ্যালুটো এনেকে কি কৰিবা এক্সটেন্ড কৰি দিবা okay আমি কি লাষ্ট এটো বস্তু কি কৰি দিও এনেকে এক্সটেন্ড কৰি দিও okay এটা তোমালোকৰ পইণ্ট ইয়াতে আছে তাৰপিছত কি হ'ব আমি গম পাইছো আমাৰ কাৰ্ভটো লেফিলে যাব পাৰে হেকিনে আমি এনেকে একদম এন্ড পইণ্টলে এক্সটেন্ড কৰি দিব লাগে okay so this is hypsometric and bathymetric curve thank you